All right, Cleaning Business University. What's going on, students? Let's talk about test cleans. What are they and why are they important? So basically, a test clean is how you vet the cleaner before you officially bring them onto your team. So the whole idea is you send one of your potential cleaners to a clean, you tell them it's a real job, but in reality, you're sending them to either your friend or your family's house or even your own house to test their work, right? But you tell them it's a real job. But the cleaner doesn't actually know that, right? So why is this important? I mean, dude, these cleaners, these people that you're sending out into your customers' homes, they are a direct reflection of your brand, your name, and your company, right? And so, obviously, you want amazing cleaners. And so, I'll tell you, when I was setting up my business, at that time I had 3 roommates. So it was 4 college age guys living in one house or just graduated college. Either way, there was 4 of us in one house. And so I had a corporate job where I was working out of the house on some days. And so I would schedule a test clean under my roommate's name and give the cleaner my own address for a time that I wasn't there. And then I would send the cleaner to my own house when I wasn't there and just tell the cleaner, hey, we have this clean going on. And I would have my roommate kind of test the cleaner and see how well they did. Did they show up on time? How was their communication? Things like that. And so if you have roommates, you can do that. If you have a family member, you can do that as well. Do what you have to do a test clean. Okay? So what are you looking for during the test clean? Well, you want to make sure that they show up on time, right? If they show up 1 hour late, what do you think they're going to do when you actually onboard them onto your team and they start working with your actual customers, right? What about the quality of work? Did they actually do a good job, right? What about their people skills? Were they genuinely a very nice and friendly person to work with, or did they suck? Were they horrible to work with? Did they have a bad, nasty attitude, right? All of this stuff is important to know. Another one, did they show up with their own branding on, like their own cleaning company on? Because if they did, that's a disaster, right? You don't want them showing up to your jobs, right, under your name with a different cleaning company shirt on. That's a big no-no as well, right? And so it's the overall vibe with someone. Did they show up on time? Did they greet the customer with respect? How professional were they? How good was their actual job? And so if they did a good job on the test clean and they passed with flying colors, then good. You onboard them and bring them onto the team. This happens after the video call, by the way. And so if someone does an amazing job on the test clean, then awesome. You just found yourself an A+ cleaner, and because you tested them, you know that they're going to do a good job. I would say don't pay more than $100 to do a test clean. You are going to have to pay this cleaner. And so I would say for the test clean, just Venmo them, Zelle them, pay them in cash somehow. However, think of it as an investment. You are going to have to spend some money to test out these cleaners, right? However, would you rather spend $100 now, or and then risk, multiple complaints down the road, you having to refund some customers because they're unhappy, or would you rather find an amazing cleaner who brings you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of revenue because they do an amazing job for your company because you took the time and did your test clean, right? And so do not skip test cleans. Test cleans are the reason why I work 5 hours a week, is because at this point we have found an amazing team of cleaners who really do an amazing job, right? Genuine high level, A+ level cleaners. So that is the concept of a test clean. You test them out, but you tell them it's a real clean. I hope that was helpful. I believe in you. On to the next video. Ciao.